What is a demand letter? Demand letters are an important part of resolving personal injury claims and other legal disputes. A demand letter is an opportunity to explain your claim, why you believe your claim is worth a particular resolution, and initiate attempts to settle or reach a compromise in your dispute. A successful demand letter can result in a settlement between you and the other parties involved in your claim. Why send a demand letter in a personal injury case? As personal injury attorneys, demand letters are part of the process of resolving insurance claims. It is our opportunity to present a complete and compelling explanation of our client's claim and why our client is willing to settle an automobile accident claim or other personal injury claim for a specific amount. In most cases, at least in tort states like Colorado, the demand letter is the adjuster's first opportunity to get a complete picture of our client's injuries and damages. Our attorneys want to make an impactful, persuasive and complete presentation of the full value of a client's personal injury case. For adjusters, receiving a demand package signifies our client is ready to begin negotiating their claim, and it is time for the adjuster to evaluate your claim in full. Why not file a lawsuit before sending a demand letter? Some personal injury clients ask our attorneys why we don't file a lawsuit and then send a demand letter or make other attempts to settle their cases. Sometimes a surprise lawsuit can be tactically useful to a client's case. However, in most cases it does not benefit the client. Litigation is expensive, even early in a lawsuit. When we disclose the evidence supporting your claim for damages in litigation, the insurance company will perform the same evaluation it would have before filing a lawsuit. Litigation involves a timeline of procedures that must occur. Filing a lawsuit can make settlement more difficult. Your personal injury attorney will carefully consider your case and develop a strategy appropriate for your unique case. What should you include in a demand letter? A demand letter should be concise but fully explain your claim. In a detailed demand letter, one goal is to allow a person with no knowledge of your dispute to read the letter and have a basic understanding of the facts of the accident, the amount you demand to settle the dispute, and the factual basis for your demand. A professional tone lets the defendant or insurance adjuster know if negotiations fail, they may face a likable plaintiff at trial. How long does a demand letter need to be? The best answer is that a demand letter needs to be as long as necessary to accomplish your goals. There is no exact length you must target. Your demand letter should be concise and direct to your point but include all the necessary details. They should be written in paragraphs with a clear and simple format. How to send a demand letter. In most personal injury claims, you should address a demand letter to the insurance company or law firm representing the defendant. What happens after you send a demand letter? Once you send a demand letter, the recipient must have an opportunity to review the demand and consider a response. The recipient may accept your demand and settle on your terms. In most cases, the recipient will reject the demand and offer an alternative resolution. If you receive an offer in response to a demand, you may choose to accept the offer or continue negotiations. If you can reach a compromise with the recipient, then your case will come to an end. If no compromise is reached, you will have to decide to accept the last offer, file a lawsuit, or walk away with nothing. Should I hire an attorney? Demand letters can be powerful tools to reach a fair settlement in your case. A strong, well-written and compelling demand letter can help an adjuster or defense lawyer evaluate your case higher than they otherwise might. Lawyers with experience drafting demand letters and negotiating injury claims understand how to present persuasive demands and craft demand letters geared towards the mindset and procedures of opposing parties. You should talk to a Denver personal injury attorney at our law firm before sending a demand letter. Our attorneys can make sure you pursue full and fair compensation for your case.